In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to make money with Base44. Whether you're looking to earn a little extra on the side or dive into a new entrepreneurial venture, Base44 offers versatile ways to generate income. To start off, consider leveraging their affiliate program. This program is a great gateway if you have a blog, YouTube channel, or a solid social media presence. Essentially, you sign up for their affiliate program, receive a unique referral link, and share it with your audience. For every paid sign-up that comes through your link, you earn a fixed commission. This is particularly effective if you have a knack for promoting no-code tools. One of the key opportunities with Base44 is building custom applications for clients and businesses. Base44's platform allows you to efficiently create various applications, like dashboards or internal tools, tailored to specific business needs. You can charge a setup fee for these services along with an ongoing maintenance or subscription fee. This approach not only highlights your skill in building valuable tools, but also solidifies your role as a facilitator of business solutions, using Base44 as your primary tool. Next, you might want to consider developing your own app and converting it into a revenue stream. With Base44, you can create consumer-facing apps or target niche markets. Monetization can be achieved through various methods, offering subscriptions, setting a one-time purchase price, implementing in-app payments, or even licensing your app to other users. However, keep in mind that turning an app into a successful venture also demands marketing strategies, reliable support, and efficient operations, including customer service. These elements are crucial to sustaining the app in the long term. Another exciting opportunity with Base44 is the potential to resell or white label the apps you develop. If you find yourself creating an app that could cater to multiple businesses, you can create a template within Base44, which you can sell or license to other companies. This strategy allows you to scale your operations much more effectively than by focusing on one-off builds. In conclusion, Base44 offers a myriad of ways to make money, from affiliate marketing to building custom solutions or launching your own app. Take the time to explore which path aligns best with your skills and goals. And remember that successful ventures often start with a single step. With dedication and a good strategy, you can leverage Base44's capabilities to carve out a profitable niche for yourself in the digital landscape.